This tutorial is the first in a series about editing your website using Adobe's in-context editing. We're going to start on your website's help page, which is where most of your editing sessions will begin. You can go to your help page by typing into your browser's address bar your company's URL, companyname.com for example, followed by /help.html. Once you hit your Enter key, you should see this page. Please bookmark it so that it's easy for you to find the next time you need it. The most important items on this page are all the links that are in the left-hand sidebar. These are divided into a couple of categories: site building and navigation links, and video tutorials. If you're watching this video, you've undoubtedly already found this section. But do take the time to watch the remaining videos, as it will undoubtedly save you both time and frustration in the long run. Back up at the site building and navigation links, the first link is to the sidebar page. This page contains the navigation links that are located in the left-hand sidebar of your website. When you make a change on this page, the sidebar on every page in your website will automatically be updated. Watch the Maintaining Your Website Links tutorial for more information about this. The next link is for a blank page template. You might use this template to create an About Us page, a Contact Us page, or a list of local handyman that you recommend to your clients. Watch the Creating a New General Purpose Page tutorial for information on this topic. The next link is for a listing page template. You'll use this template to create new listings pages. It contains the structure to display individual home listings. With this template, you can create pages such as featured listings, homes under $100,000, or pool homes. Watch the tutorial Creating a New Listing Page to learn more about this. The last link is a link to a sample page. This shows you some of the various formatting options that are available to you. As you can see, there are 6 different heading styles, 1 through 6, that you can use on your website. There are also some options down here for framing individual pictures. And below that are listed the names of the styles you would use to create these different effects. Next, we learn about the flush left and the flush right styles that are applied to pictures to shift their position to their respective margins and allow the text to flow around them. Finally, we see that there are some predefined styles to change the color of text. There are 3: dark blue, bright blue, and dark red. Okay, let's go back to the help page and have a look at the actual editing interface. To do this, we're going to click on the blank page template, and that opens the page in our web browser. To start the Adobe in-context editor, we simultaneously press the Control key and the E key, or Command plus E if you're using a Macintosh. A sign-up box will then pop up asking you for your email and password. Once you've entered those, click on the Sign In button. Once the in-context editor has loaded, you'll see a gray band on the top and on the bottom of the page, and your web page is in the center. These gray bands hold the various editing tools. The first thing I want to point out is that on the top right-hand corner is a drop-down Help menu. This contains information about more videos and tutorials and even a form that Adobe has created to help you better maintain your website using their in-context editing. Do check these out. Directly below that are the two buttons that you will use to start your session. You either edit this page or you duplicate this page. There is a separate tutorial on duplicating a page, so for this one we're going to click on the Edit Page button. You'll notice now that the lower part of this top band has changed and it now displays the basic editing tools. If we look over to the far right hand side, you'll notice that there are three buttons. These are for the three editing modes. The first is for text editing, the second is for editing pictures, and the third is for editing links. Also note that as I click each one of these, that the tools in the center portion here change. This concludes this tutorial. Please progress to the next editing tutorial, editing text.